Philips X818 and let me show you how to activate and use boot mode on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. At first you have to tap on power key, hold it for a while and then click on power off. Confirm that you would like to shut it down by tapping on OK and wait a couple of seconds. Once it's off, tap on power key and volume up and power, and wait a couple of seconds. Just keep holding both of them. And that's it. As you can see, now you're in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So here you can access recovery mode, fastboot mode, and also the normal one, and this is what I will choose now. So simply tap on power key, on volume down key to go back to the normal mode. Just wait a couple of seconds until you're back, and then you will be able to use your device in a normal way. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device as usually. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.